whether the following expenses shall be part of a cost incurred from obtaining a contract. Give a reason. Commission paid only upon success signing the contract. So for signing the contract, if it been signed, we need to pay commission, whether it is expense or not. Yeah, it's a part of a cost incurred to obtain a contract. Second, legal fees drafting the terms of arrangement agreement. Yes, it's a cost. Travel expenses of sales of a travel expense of a sale person pitching a new client contract. Then travel expenses, incurring expenses over the period for getting a new client. That is not a cost. Salary of salesperson working exclusively on obtaining a new client. As administration cost. Bonus based on quarterly sales. So for getting the sales, after the sales, it is being given. Okay, commission paid to sales manager based on the contract obtained. It is a cost. Okay. So commission paid upon successful signing contract, yes, capitalized. Assuming the entity expect to recover the cost, the commission is an incremental since it would not have any pay. It would have not been paid if the party decided not to enter into the agreement before signing it. So before signing it, they are not going to pay. After signing it, if they don't get the contract, they are not going to pay. Only the main criteria is if they are getting to get the contract, they are going to pay. That is a cost that is going to be recovered soon. So capitalized cost. So this is not a problem. Legal fees, expense or no, can be expense and can be capitalized. Both it is possible. How? If a parties walk away during the negotiation and the cost would be incurred and therefore it is not incremental cost of obtaining contract. Yeah, it's walked away, so there is no contract there, but they incurred a cost, then it would be an expense. But alternative, if it be capitalized due to the absence of a no approve and sign, that is agreement is approved and signed, then the incremental cost will be capitalized. Very good. Travel expenses for a salesperson pitching a new client? No, because this causes incremental trend incurred regardless whether the new contract is won or not lost. The entity's expenses out of the cost. So it's administrative expenses usually. Salaries for a salesman working exclusively on obtaining new client. No, no. The salaries are incurred regardless whether the contractor won or lost, and therefore was not incremental cost to obtain the contract. It is admin expenses. Bonus based on quarterly sales. Yes, because bonus shared solely on the sale are incremental cost to obtain the contract. Incremental cost. Yeah, that's true. Commission paid to sales manager based on the contract obtained. Yes, the commissions are incremental cost that would not have been incurred that had the entity is not obtained the contract. So they got the contract because of the employee's work, because of doing successfully getting the work. This bonus will be paid. It was agreement previously held, and as we got the bonus quarterly basis, we are giving bonus based upon the satisfaction of getting a contract. Then it can be capitalized.